प्रथमं शैलपुत्री च द्वितीयं ब्रह्मचारिणी तृतीयं चन्द्रगण्ठीति कूष्माण्डेति चतुर्थकं पंचमं स्कन्दमातेति षष्ठं कात्यायनीति च सप्तमं कालरात्रिश्च महागौरीति चाष्टकं नवमं सिद्धदा प्रोक्ता नवदुर्गाः प्रकीर्तिताः उक्तानेतानि नामानि ब्रह्मण्यैव महात्मना. Navratri is celebration of 9 nights. Navratri is worshipping of Ma Durga, the power goddess, the goddess who guards and guides us, guides the whole of the universe. Navratri is celebrated all over India by all the Hindus in various ways. They follow their own way, the traditions that has been followed by our ancestors. If Garba and Dandiya is in practice in northern India, especially in Gujarat and Rajasthan, you find Dashera procession in Mysore, Ayudh Puja, doll keeping that is in practice in southern India. So today I am here to explain to you the importance of these 9 nights and the goddesses that is worshipped by us. Day 1 of Navratri, that is Pratham Divas, it is Ghatasthapana Divas. On this day, goddess Shailaputri is worshipped. Shailaputri is daughter of Himalaya, that is Shaila. On this day, ghee is offered to her and Devi is dressed in color grey, which stands for strength and peace. Temple of goddess Shailaputri is in Varanasi in UP. On day 2, goddess Brahmacharini is worshipped. She is an avatar of Parvati, and on this day we offer sugar to her. Orange is the color that we wear as a sign of prosperity and longevity of the family members. Goddess is in bare feet and with Rudraksh and Kamandala in her hand. Temple of goddess Brahmacharini is in Kashi on the banks of river Ganga. On the 3rd day of Navratri, we worship goddess Chandragantha. She is a fierce 10-armed goddess, crescent moon on her forehead. She rides on a tiger to destroy the evil, and on that day we offer kheer to her. That day, goddess is in white color, symbolizing bravery and fortitude. Temple of goddess Chandragantha is again in Varanasi, UP. On the 4th day of Navratri, that is Chaturthi, we worship goddess Kushmanda. Ku means little, Ushma means energy, Anda means egg. She is the creator of life. She is the creator of the universe. On this day, we offer Malpova. Color of the day is red. Temple of goddess Kushmanda is in Ghatampur, UP. On the 5th day, that is on Panchami, we worship goddess Skandamata. As the name suggests, Skanda is Kartikeya, worshipping mother of Kartikeya on that day. Color of the day is sky blue, and it's actually the Moola Nakshatra day. We do have Sharda Puja in Karnataka. Bananas are offered on this day to her. Kartikeya is sitting on her lap and she has lotus and kamandala in her hands. On the 6th day, goddess Katyayani is worshipped. Katyayani is the daughter of Katyayan sage. On this day, honey is offered to her. Pink is the color worn and she is a warrior goddess, a form of Shakti. Temple of Katyayani is in UP in Vrindavan. On the seventh day, goddess Kalaratri is worshipped. She, as the name suggests, dark complexioned. She is called Saptani with 4 arms. Third eye is also seen, and on that day royal blue is worn. Jaggery is offered to her. One of the Shakti Pitas is in Varanasi in Kalika Gali. On the 8th day, goddess Mahagauri is worshipped. She is a warrior goddess 4-armed with Damaru and Trishul. It is also called Durgashtami, which is celebrated very much grandly in South India. Durga Puja, Durga Namaskara and Deepalankara pujas are done during these days. Saraswati Puja is also done on this day. Color of the day is yellow and coconut is offered to her. You do find Siddhapita in Ludhiana, and other temples of Mahagauri is in Senda, Gujarat, and also seen in Kashi and Gaya. The 9th god avatar of Durga is goddess Siddhadatri. She is 4-armed sitting on a lotus. She is offered sesame seeds to avoid any unnatural events in our life. In Karnataka, Ayudh Puja is on Mahanavami day, that is on the 9th day. Royal families worship their armor and chariots on this day. This is continued even today by the people of Karnataka and royal families of Mysore, that is warriors too. Color of the day is green. Dashera, the 10th day, is celebrated in South India, especially in Mysore, in a very, very grand way. It is called Nanada Habba. Mysore got its name from the demon Mahishasura. Chamundi Hills in Mysore is known to have Chamundeshwari temple, the place where Mahisha was killed by Devi Chamundi. Procession from Mysore Palace to Banni Mantap happens from many, many years back by the royal families of Mysore. ನವ ಎಂದರೆ ನೂತನ, ನವ ಎಂದರೆ ಹೊಸತು, ನವ ಎಂದರೆ ನವೀನ. ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹೊಸತು ವಿಚಾರಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಜ್ಞಾನವರ್ಧನೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಟ್ಟದರ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ, ಕತ್ತಲೆಯ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಹೋರಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು ಬಯಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಸದಾ ಸದ್ಬುದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂಬರುವ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಆಲೋಚನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ನವರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನವರತ್ನಗಳಾಗಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತಿಸಬೇಕಾದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಅತ್ಯವಶ್ಯಕವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಅಗತ್ಯವಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ನವರಾತ್ರಿಯು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ನವರತ್ನಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಆ ಭಗವತಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇಂದಿನ ನಾನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಸಮಾಪ್ತಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನವರಾತ್ರಿ is celebrated all over the country, but this year, due to this pandemic, I do request each and every one of you to please take care of your health. It is the safety that matters. Do worship Goddess, do worship Ma Durga at your own place. Avoid coming out unnecessarily. We need to care for the society. We need to care for ourselves and our family. Please take care, avoid coming out, and happy Navratri, safe Navratri to one and all.